What's up, Coop? How old are you?
10.
How long you been skating?
A year.
Cool. Okay, we're gonna start working on board slides today. Good? All right, let's do it. So the first thing I want you to do is you're gonna pick a curb. So we'll pick this curb right here, okay? Start right here, give it a tiny little push, and ollie to get your front wheels onto the top of the curb, okay? Good, good, that's it. You can even kick turn off, so that's even a bonus. I am on the edge of the ledge. Look at that, I'm not here in the middle, and there's a reason for this. Because we are faking it like we're gonna board slide and then kick turn off of the edge. So right now we're learning how to land this. So we land this by going to the edge of the ledge, and we're gonna imagine that we already made our board slide this way, and then the ledge is gonna stop. So when that happens, you need to swing your shoulders and lean in over your front foot. So look, swing the shoulders and hop into my kick turn off, and then I'll keep riding this way. So back up a little more. So we're faking it so that it's like this. Okay? And that's what we're faking right now. Go drop your board down on top. There you go. And look, I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna slide it right here to the edge. Okay? Front wheels go up. Right when you put your back on, turn it off. That's it. Try a few more of those. I want you to feel a nice light hop. Give it a little tiny hop as you kick turn off. Good. So when you hop, it comes off easier, right? Yeah. Next, what we're gonna do is I want you to start back here. You're gonna ride, you're gonna throw your board down, ride ollie up to the edge of the ledge, just where you were, land into that position, and then kick turn off. Good. Good. Ah, too fast. So remember, right when you get on that ledge, are you bending down? And if you're not, if you're leaning forward or standing up, then that's gonna pull you up to the top of the ledge, or you're not gonna get on there like you want. You need to land into a knee bend. Land into a knee bend and now kick turn. Okay, so that was the best one yet, right? Good. Hey, see? That's right. That's right. So we're gonna start from back here. Push off. Ollie up. Lean my head forward so that I take my feet off and then run off of my board. I'm gonna give you a hand for this, okay? I'll give you the back hand. So give it some speed. I'll hold your back hand. A little more speed. Bending down. Good, good. And jumping off and forward. That's it right there. Good. Try it again. Now, as you build more confidence, I want you to add more speed. Remember, you must keep your head leaned over your toes, okay? Big push. Hey, that's it. That's it. Dude, good. Now, more speed. How about you go fast and give me your hand and I'll help you, okay? So start back, 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 back. Give me some speed. Good, back in. 1, 2, 3. Good, so now you're getting a slide, right? You felt the slide more? That's what it's gonna take. Board slides require speed. Okay, faster. Hey, that was perfect, except you lean back, okay? So look, I don't want you to slam on the edge of this thing, or boom, right into your back. That's not gonna feel good. So you gotta keep the head forward, okay? Try it again. Remember, to make that happen, you bend those knees and lean the head forward. So right when you get into your board slide, you need to immediately, the second you touch into board slide, knees bent, head forward. Good, see? And now your momentum is forward, so your board stopped and your body launched off. Really brace those knees, bend down low to battle and stay connected with your skateboard. If you get onto your board slide, and you come all the way up like this, and your front wheels touch, if this isn't waxed up here, it's gonna stick. You hear that? See, and that's just friction. and that's gonna make your board wanna stop, which makes it harder for you. So the way that you can make this a little bit easier is when you get into your board slide, you actually stay on the side like this, look. So the front wheels are up, the back wheels are off. And then this gives it the freedom to slide nice and easy so that when you get on, you make a quick slide and then turn and drop off. You wanna try that? Some wax. Let's try it out. Okay, so for the wax job here, look, we're gonna throw just a little bit up here where the wheels, front wheels touch. This is the most important. So let me see. So just spin some circles, look. Okay, spin some circles. Go ahead. There you go. All the way to the edge. Good, keep going. Don't be shy. Put a lot on there. Good. Keep going down. There you go. Do over there more. A little bit more. Good, dude. Okay. Okay, now this is where it gets sketchy. Put a light little swipe on the edge, just a light one. Okay, good. All right, let's run it. Here. So now let's aim. Look, take a deep breath. Look, let's aim for just where this leaf is. The last 1.5 feet. Remember, imagine yourself doing it. Is this the one right here? Yeah. Come on, show me. Oh! Hey, so remember that kick turn out? You got your slide, good. You got the kick turn out. Forward. Oh! So, prime time board slides. Each one of these now is getting better sliding, okay? Now we gotta work that kick turn off. Remember, the shoulders swing and then lean forward. So stand without your board. Let me see that swing and lean the head forward. So imagine you're standing on the edge of the ledge. Look, so you're like this, right? Yep. Now, swing those shoulders and lean in. That's it. Really lean into that front foot, okay? Try it again. Oh! Now, are you swinging those shoulders? No. Got to swing those shoulders, brother. Remember, the second you get into that board slide, you must react. You must move. Swing those shoulders. That's right. That's right. See? You fought for it and it worked. So, back up more. Take a couple deep breaths here. Look, you have all the puzzle pieces. We just got to put them together now. Oh! Hey, awesome job, man. See? Tired? Hey, I'm proud of you, dude, okay? Good job, man. Perseverance, dedication, and commitment. Good job. Hey! Dude, that was fantastic. Fight for that, my man. Fight for that. That was so good. You feel good? Look good. Come on, Coop. Make it happen, dude. More speed. Use those shoulders. Oh! And he gets it. Yes. Good job. Say bye.